负责，负责。
Be in charge of. Be responsible for.
Be in charge of. Be responsible for.
他是这家餐厅的负责人。他是这家餐厅的负责人。
He is the person in charge of this restaurant.
He is the person in charge of this restaurant.
他在公司负责会计工作。他在公司负责会计工作。
She is responsible for accounting work in the company.
She is responsible for accounting work in the company.
负责保安工作的人必须忠实可靠。负责保安工作的人必须忠实可靠。
Those responsible for security must be loyal and reliable.
Those responsible for security must be loyal and reliable.
他对工作非常负责，所以经理很信任他。他对工作非常负责，所以经理很信任他。
She is very responsible for her work, so the manager trusts her.
She is very responsible for her work, so the manager trusts her.
本来，本来。
Originally, at first. Original.
Originally. At first. Original.
本来他是要来的，但是出了点事情，他不能来。本来他是要来的，但是出了点事情，他不能来。
Originally, she was going to come, but something happened, and she couldn't come.
Originally, she was going to come, but something happened, and she couldn't come.
他本来打算去巴黎，但最终去了伦敦。他本来打算去巴黎，但最终去了伦敦。
He originally planned to go to Paris but ended up in London.
He originally planned to go to Paris but ended up in London.
你还没有康复，本来就不应该出院。你还没有康复，本来就不应该出院。
You haven't recovered yet and you shouldn't have been discharged from the hospital in the first place.
You haven't recovered yet and you shouldn't have been discharged from the hospital in the first place.
你终于知道他本来的目的。你终于知道他本来的目的。
You finally know her original purpose.
You finally know her original purpose.
应聘。应聘。
Apply for a job.
Apply for a job.
这个职位有20个人来应聘。这个职位有20个人来应聘。
20 people applied for this position.
20 people applied for this position.
他应聘该公司的总经理一职，最后被录取了。他应聘该公司的总经理一职，最后被录取了。
He applied for the position of general manager of the company and was finally accepted.
He applied for the position of general manager of the company and was finally accepted.
他应聘了一家外贸公司的销售工作。他应聘了一家外贸公司的销售工作。
She applied for a job in sales at a foreign trade company.
She applied for a job in sales at a foreign trade company.
材料。材料。
Data. Information. Material.
Data. Information. Material.
请给我看看应聘者的材料。请给我看看应聘者的材料。
Please show me the applicant's profile.
Please show me the applicant's profile.
你可以上网搜索有关健康饮食的材料。你可以上网搜索有关健康饮食的材料。
You can search online for information about healthy eating.
You can search online for information about healthy eating.
这套家具是采用优质的材料制成的。这套家具是采用优质的材料制成的。
This furniture set is made of high-quality materials.
This furniture set is made of high-quality materials.
申请出国留学需要准备好所有材料。申请出国留学需要准备好所有材料。
Applying to study abroad requires preparing all materials.
Applying to study abroad requires preparing all materials.
符合。符合。
Accord with.
Accord with.
他所说的情况符合那起车祸的事实。他所说的情况符合那起车祸的事实。
What he said was consistent with the facts of the car accident.
What he said was consistent with the facts of the car accident.
我将尽快联系符合条件的申请人。我将尽快联系符合条件的申请人。
I will contact qualified applicants as soon as possible.
I will contact qualified applicants as soon as possible.
他具备的条件和能力符合我们公司的要求。他具备的条件和能力符合我们公司的要求。
His qualifications and abilities meet the requirements of our company.
His qualifications and abilities meet the requirements of our company.
通知。通知。
Inform.
Inform.
我将尽快通知符合要求的应聘者。我将尽快通知符合要求的应聘者。
I will notify qualified applicants as soon as possible.
I will notify qualified applicants as soon as possible.
请通知他们，今天的会议改到明天下午。请通知他们，今天的会议改到明天下午。
Please inform them that today's meeting will be rescheduled to tomorrow afternoon.
Please inform them that today's meeting will be rescheduled to tomorrow afternoon.
今天的会议改到明天下午了，你没有收到通知吗？今天的会议改到明天下午了，你没有收到通知吗？
Today's meeting has been rescheduled to tomorrow afternoon. Didn't you receive the notice?
Today's meeting has been rescheduled to tomorrow afternoon. Didn't you receive the notice?
谢谢观看。